Well, good evening, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and it is Review Thursday, and I am bringing you the Padfolio. This is leather. It's blue, and it's nice. And this is the inside of it, and I'm going to keep all of my different things in it. I'm going to keep my notes and put a clip up here, and then put my things in the pocket, things in these pockets right here. Here you can see them in the pockets right here, so that I can keep, abreast of what's happening. So, if you like this, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will put everything in the comment section for you if you want to order it. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.